This project was so successful that KPMG in its 2016 State of India report, KPMG Global in the State of India report, cites this project as an example and a case study of one of the most successful projects that could ever be done. All of that has been ignored. The detailed document leading to the project, which has all the reasons, it's like the whole scope document, which was a part of every conversation based on which the deliveries were done. By the way, I must tell you also this: the scope of this project was end delivery. It was not supply of products or hardware, software, etc. It was the entire scope. It was operational scope of outcome-based scope of training students to the industry quality that is required. That document has been consistently been not referred to, and that document has been consistently been not brought into picture because it clearly shows the level and the depth of which this project was envisaged and what this project has been delivered. And as you would understand, when you're talking about the scope as outcome, it is not just a bill of material. People who understand engineering, I would use an engineering word, it's also called the bill of process, which is the know-how, which in many people who talk about startup industry call IP, but it's a know-how, it's a knowledge, and there is a bill of services. All of this was envisaged in this project, and all of this has been delivered. Because otherwise, I'm simple. Look at the end result. If the end result is what it is in front of you, and the infrastructure that was used to deliver that is in front of you, that's what the project speaks about itself. And I can always say that this project, and as Siemens, the company that I led and I worked with, we led this project successfully with our partners and our ecosystem. There were hundreds of partners and ecosystem players who were engaged in delivering this project, and this project was done absolutely successfully. Yeah. I'll stop now. I'll take questions.
Here one basic question. Mr. Suman, no one is raising any doubts about your credentials or about the end results of this project, but they are raising many doubts about the corruption. So what do you want to say on that?
There was no corruption. There couldn't have been any corruption because the largest part of the project, which came in as in-kind grant from Siemens, was not even a flow of money. It was flown through discounts. So how can you give corruption on discounts?
See one thing. So you are saying corruption is no, but basically government and the CID says that there is no agreement between Siemens and the government of Andhra Pradesh. Is that right?
Is APSSTC not government of Andhra Pradesh? If I was a managing director of Siemens and my CFO, who was a co-signatory to this agreement, was a managing director of Siemens, and if this agreement has been vetted by Siemens worldwide, then I don't understand what is that there is no agreement with Siemens. Obviously there's an agreement with Siemens. Siemens is a signatory to the tripartite agreement.
So do you think that any physical verification is yet not been done in this SNEC forensic report page number 12 also mentions that there has been no physical verification of the assets on ground, and they are saying that nothing is on ground. The entire project was a black and black.
So that is what I said. That is what surprises me. I mean, it is all in the state of Andhra Pradesh. You can go all around the country to arrest people and talk to people, etc. Why don't you just go in your backyard and see this person is still alive? As I said, you're investigating a murder. The guy who's supposed to be murdered is actually sitting right next to you. Talk to him and say, were you murdered? No. I can, the matter is sub judice. I don't want to get into it because, I have the strongest belief on the courts, and we have all submitted ourselves to the courts. Whatever relief we have got from the courts. But I can tell you there's nothing that was, there was all of these are baseless, bald allegations. And that's exactly what, if you see the reports, the judgments that have come out so far, the judgments are clear. There is not an iota of evidence. These are bald allegations, completely bald allegations. What did I use in Gujarat? What did I use for Gujarat? What name? No, That's wrong. No, so that's what I'm saying. So somebody can, just because somebody has been authorized by the system, if that person lies, that lie becomes truth. So you ask for evidence, because I can show you, and I've seen that. I don't have the documents, but Design Tech had the documents because they're still a functioning company. They have the documents. I've always, even within the Siemens circle, I've been known as Suman Bose. Somyadri Shekhar Bose is my given name, my name on my passport. The Gujarat documents have been signed as Suman Bose. The signature which I've affixed in the Gujarat document and the Andhra Pradesh document are my bank signatures.